Tired of confusing currency conversions and sending money to the Philippines? I'm here to show you how to easily convert euros to pesos directly in your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. This process is much easier on a larger screen. Next, navigate to your wallet or summary section. Look for it on the top menu or the left-hand sidebar, depending on your PayPal layout. If you don't already have a peso balance, you'll need to find the option to add currency or manage currencies. It's usually near your existing balance. From the list, select Philippine Peso (PHP). It's the currency you want to add. Then, click to add the Philippine Peso to your available currencies in your PayPal wallet. Now that you have PHP as an option, find your euro balance near it. There should be an option to convert currency. Click on that. Enter the amount in euros you want to convert to pesos. PayPal will automatically show you the current exchange rate and the estimated amount you'll receive in pesos. Review all the details carefully, paying close attention to the exchange rate and any fees that might apply. If everything looks good, click Convert Now or a similar confirmation button. That's it. You'll receive a confirmation message, and your PayPal balance will now reflect the converted amount in both euros and pesos. Now you can easily send money to the Philippines.